Hi everyone, it's Yanis here, and in this video we will explore what is Upwork. One of the quickest way to complete projects, grow and expand your business is by acquiring additional resources. If this is your first time on this channel, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates on my latest videos about time management and productivity. Upwork is a freelancing platform where businesses and individuals connect in order to conduct business. It gives freelancers the opportunity to find work no matter where they are in the world and earn money. It also allows the businesses to quickly and effectively hire experts in any field to help them with the completion of the projects. The principle of the platform is very simple. If you're a business, then you create a job description and post it. In a matter of minutes, you will start receiving the proposals from freelancers that can get the job done for you. If you are a freelancer, then you simply select the type of the job that you want to do and you browse and apply to the jobs that you're interested in. I have been using Upwork for at least 4 years now, and I have hired many people to help me with the growth of my business. I have worked with app developers, web developers, designers, writers, voice artists, video editors, and many more, and I have had a great experience. We live in a digital age, and many people value the flexibility of working from home or co-working spaces. And using platforms like Upwork that connects businesses with freelancers is a great way how both parties can benefit. So if you need additional resources in your business, then Upwork is one of the best places where you can get them. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I was able to give you a quick summary of what Upwork is, how it works, and how you can take advantage of it. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could press the like button, as this will help the video reach more people and spread the message.